We don't know what time it is. You see, the problem is we went into one time zone that moved us forward, and then we went back again. So we were supposed to start this hike at like 8 o'clock this morning. Well, we thought we were gonna leave at 8 o'clock to come here. It's now 10:30 because we didn't leave until 9 o'clock to come here because we don't know what time it is. Oh, today has been a day.
Yes, it has been.
What happened? We don't know what time it is, do we?
It is.
Time is a fleeting thing.
Let's start.
Okay, you ready? The uphill has begun. And we're still going up.
So, we're going to go right up there.
Going up. We have been going up for a very long time. The views are beautiful, so it's totally worth it. But we figured we'd gain a pretty good amount of elevation. Came around the corner and we saw this. That might be the most amount of switchbacks I've ever seen in my whole life. So if you want to hike the Bright Angel Trail, make sure you stretch your calves first. No chipmunk. Go, DJ, go! What did you think about Angel's Landing?
It's a lot of uphill, but it's quite beautiful when you get to the top. It's probably one of the best vistas in the park.
Go early.
Go early. Avoid the crowds. Less people on the chains.
Ooh, that cloud looks worse with my sunglasses on.
It looks way worse, doesn't it?
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click that subscribe button. If you want the full scoop on Angel's Landing, head over to our website. That's what she said.